JBL's latest party speaker is here, and it's louder, lighter, and lasts way longer. The Boombox 4 is already on sale in China, and it's expected to hit global markets very soon. So what makes this beast special? Let's break it down. The Boombox 4 takes everything JBL fans loved about the Boombox 3 and pushes it further. First, power. This thing delivers up to 210 watts when plugged in and still cranks out an impressive 180 watts on battery. That's serious volume, enough to fuel any party indoors or outdoors. JBL also fixed one of the biggest complaints about the previous model: its weight. The Boombox 4 is about 12% lighter, making it easier to carry around without sacrificing performance. Under the hood, it comes with two 5-inch woofers, two 0.75-inch tweeters, and 3 passive radiators. There's no dedicated subwoofer, but the sound is boosted by JBL's AI Sound Boost. This smart tech analyzes your music in real time, adjusting for clarity and consistency across all volume levels. Battery life is another big win here. You'll get up to 28 hours of playtime, and with the new battery boost mode, that stretches to 34 hours. That's 10 hours more than the Boombox 3. Charging your playlist just got a lot less frequent. Durability? Covered. The Boombox 4 is IP68 rated, meaning it's dust-proof and fully water-resistant. Perfect for the beach, the pool, or any outdoor adventure. Connectivity also gets a bump with Bluetooth 5.4 and Auracast, letting you link multiple JBL speakers for bigger sound. And if you want high-fidelity music, plug in through USB-C for lossless audio playback. As for price, it's already on sale in China for around $560. That's close to what the Boombox 3 cost at launch. While pricing for the US, UK, Europe, and Australia hasn't been confirmed. September 28, 2025 release globally, with shipping a few weeks later. So, what do you think? Does the Boombox 4 have what it takes to be the ultimate party speaker? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love keeping up with the latest in audio and gadget tech, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Peace out.